electric SUV isn't the only thing the 2026 BYD Song L is. It's a bold statement that combines stunning good looks with cutting-edge engineering and thrilling acceleration. The Song L, a product of BYD's incessant innovation, is poised to revolutionize the electric coupe SUV market by posing a formidable challenge to long-standing luxury brands with its daring combination of style, power, and unparalleled value. More than a car, it represents the future of high-end electric transportation. Design: a harmony of dragon. Faced with avant-garde sophistication, the 2026 BYD Song L is a visual masterpiece of aggressiveness and grace, elevating BYD's dragon-face design concept to an unprecedented degree. Its fastback coupe SUV profile is enhanced by breathtaking, attention-grabbing accents. The aerodynamic efficiency and aesthetic impact of every line and curve have been painstakingly crafted. A dramatic roofline tapers seamlessly to a dynamic back end. There are sharper, more aggressive lines, and a distinctive shark-nosed front end. An artistic masterpiece is the LED lighting system. Impress everyone with its crisp, multi-element dragon eye LED, headlights, and lighted daytime running light strip. Rear active. Aerodynamics: a small retractable spoiler on higher trims and full width. LED taillight clusters with complex patterns add to its upscale look, promising performance even at a standstill. The Song L's broad stance, robust fenders, and big, aerodynamically tuned wheels give off an imposing and athletic impression. A powerful and precise symphony, platform, and performance. In the 2026 Song L, you can expect an exhilarating ride and handling thanks to BYD's state-of-the-art a Platform 3.0 and innovative chassis technology. A revolutionary new system has emerged. The SUSE Intelligent Body Control System. With its BYD Disruptor Intelligent Air Suspension System, the Song L offers real-time adjustments for ride height and damping. It responds effortlessly to driver inputs and topography, providing a surprising combination of outstanding comfort on different types of roads and dynamic stability while driving aggressively. Dominance in dual motor (AWD). The high-performance version boasts an impressive arrangement of dual motor all-wheel drive (WD), allowing for breathtaking acceleration. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 4 seconds. There is remarkable power and instant torque, available even in the RWD version with a single motor. Impressive efficiency and range. Song L's DC rapid charging technology, which minimizes downtime, and BYD's Blade battery, which is both safe and energy efficient, will give the vehicle a competitive electric range. Inside the 2026 BYD Song L, you'll find an intuitive and immersive driving environment crafted with a perfect balance of ergonomics, high-end materials, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're viewing the device in landscape or portrait mode, the 15.6-inch intelligent spinning touchscreen from BYD will keep you engrossed.